Hola, hello, welcome back. What are today's messages? Let's pick a card. I have found the one that my soul loves. What are 3 things on your bucket list? And then today's little box today, it's about gratitude. I speak my truth. I am growing and learning every day. I have my own back. I am curious and excited about my future. I am balanced and grounded. I treat myself with love. I love my life and my life loves me. I love my inner child. I am thankful for my health. I am thankful for my home and family. I am thankful for all the money coming to me now. I love myself and others as they are. Thank you for all my lessons. I release all my judgments. All right, thank you for stopping by. Adios.